tutorial.
Let us get right into this tutorial. I started off with this Black Opal Cream Powder Foundation in the shade 340. I actually received this a while back from Click, so it's not my actual shade, but I managed to work around it. It was actually also difficult to blend. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I used a water-based product to prep my skin before going in with it. But yeah, I just tried to blend it, and yeah, it did quite well. Next up, I went in with this Revlon Candid concealer in the shade 040 medium. Is that medium moyen? It's medium moyen, yes. This is a very light concealer. I actually like it, and I only have one in my makeup collection. How embarrassing. It's very nice, but it's super light. It is super light. So there's something I don't do. I normally see the girlies waiting a couple of minutes for their concealer to dry a bit, or they just dry it down with a fan before blending it out. I don't do that. I don't know why, but they say that it gives off a very full coverage look, so I just go in with my concealer and blend it out same time. So yeah, as you can see, I went in with a second concealer, which is the L'Oreal Infallible in the shade, it's 332 Amber. Yes, it's in the shade Amber. Matter of fact, if I were to rate concealers, this concealer was going to be number one on my list because of its consistency and its full coverage. I just love it. So yeah, I continue using the same beauty blend I was using to apply my foundation and the other concealers because I just love a smooth finish. Yeah. So now I am going in with a blush palette that I created myself. Yes, how great. So I went in with a pink blush. I'm a blushaholic, a recent blushaholic, yes. So I'm going in with a blush, and I prefer using a smaller brush for blending out my blush because that way it allows me to have control over my placement of my blush. Yes, I think I explained it quite well. Yes, so using a smaller brush to blend out your blush gives you much control over your product because you don't want to have your blush all over your cheekbones. You have to apply your blush on your upper part of your, how do they describe that? I actually forgot, but on the upper part of your cheekbones. Yes, so yeah, you have to blend when you're using a blush. Now this part here is very optional. If you do not like bright under eyes, it is absolutely fine. You can just leave your makeup as it was. So I went in with the concealer from Makeup Revolution in the shade C2, the second brightest from their collection. Yes, so yeah, it is a very nice concealer, very thick and very full coverage. And please take note of how I am focusing on my inner corners of my under eyes only, because the purpose of this one is to just brighten my under eyes. So I'm not taking it up to my outer under eyes. I'm just focusing on my inner corners only. So yeah, I went in with a setting powder. And for my beginner girlies, please, when you're working with a setting powder, do not go in with a lot of product first. Try to gradually build up your powder when applying it. Just apply a bit, blend it in, let it sit, and go in with another powder. Yes, depending on how much you like it, and then you just see as you're doing your makeup. Yeah, so I am just setting my T-zone area with my setting powder, and then now I went in with this Essence blush, the shade Cool Berry. Yes, I'm just setting the area where I applied my cream blush. And then we move to bronzing. This has to be my most favorite part about doing my makeup. Man, bronzing my face with this Juvia's Warrior palette, it has been my favorite. I bless the day I decided to stop contouring my face and just used this palette to bronze my face. Yes, so if you're someone who prefers contouring using a cream contour, you can just go in with that and set it with a bronzer on top. But if you're like me, you just love your makeup very, very soft and elegant, do it this way. Trust me, you're going to love it. You are going to love it. So my loves, this is the end of our tutorial. I lost so many clips. The part where I was doing my lips, I do not know, but yeah, this is where it ends. Thank you for watching. Bye.